A very good morning from Khandwala Securities Limited and welcome to Tuesday's trading action at Dalal Street, dated June 7th, 2022. Well, if last 2 days trading action at Dalal Street is any indication, then the bear market rally, which we have witnessed in last 3 weeks, seems to have fizzled out. Technically speaking, confirmation of weakness only below Nifty's intraday support at 16,371 mark, upside on Nifty likely to be capped at 16,795 mark, hurdles at 16,667 mark. Bottom line, we suspect Nifty will lack direction in today's trade as well. We say so because the key driver of sentiment hinges on the RBI monetary policy outcome to trickle in on 8th of June. Commanding attention will be also Friday's US CPI report, where we will learn if price growth in the US has finally peaked. Now, before we get into details, here is the preferred trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty closing price 16,570. Sell between 16,650 to 16,700 zone. Strict stop at 16,913. Target 16,371 and then at 16,121. Aggressive targets at 15,901 mark. Bank Nifty closing price 35,310. Sell between 35,600 to 35,700 zone. Strict stop at 36,721. Targets 34,900 to 34,179. Aggressive targets at 33,000 mark. Outlook for Tuesday. Metals could outperform. This Tuesday morning, there is slight optimism in the air amidst reopening of Chinese economy and the said reopening that could give a boost to the global economy. Reports also suggest that the daily COVID-19 cases are dropping significantly in China. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests amidst this Chinese backdrop, metal stocks are likely to rise. We like Tata Steel and Hindalco with an inter-week or inter-month perspective. Jindal Steel and Power could be a dark horse. Also helping sentiments is the monsoon, which has arrived earlier than normal in India. The biggest negative catalyst, FIS selling continues to intensify as macro data on the inflation front continues to dampen sentiments. FIS selling is on backdrop of unease over runaway inflation, which is almost contagious. The street fears that Fed's monetary tightening could trigger a recession. Mirroring the hawkish Fed, the RBI is also expected to tighten its monetary policy, which is slated to release on Wednesday, June 8, 2022. RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das, in a recent statement, has said that the hike in the interest rate was no-brainer. WTI crude oil prices skyrocketed to $119 per barrel. Oil prices remain the biggest villain, which can bring back concerns about the inflation, economy, and earnings back on the front pages. The Nifty options data for June series suggests Nifty is likely to be in a trading range of 16,000 to 17,000 zone. Maximum call open interest at 17,500 followed by 17,000 strike price. So the 17,000 mark will be Nifty's crucial resistance zone. Maximum put open interest stands at 16,000 levels followed by 15,500 levels. Call writing was seen at 16,500 and then at 16,600 strike price, while there was meaningful put writing at 16,500 and then at 16,600 strike price. On the sell side, our chart of the day is bearish on Biocon, Hero MotoCorp and Glenmark with an inter-week perspective, while on the buy side we like Tata Steel, Coromandel International and Oil India with an inter-week or inter-month perspective. That's all we have for now. For any queries, do contact us at 022-4076-7373 and do visit our website www.kslindia.com. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that the stocks mentioned in this podcast are only for educational purpose. Khandwala Securities Limited or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on the stocks mentioned in this podcast.